Welcome to the Department of Library Services. In this video, you will learn how to find cases or case law analysis. This video content includes the following sections: Introduction, Case Analysis, Where do I find these legal databases at the University of Pretoria, and Conclusion. Introduction. Case law research is about finding relevant cases, ensuring that the cases are still good law, and making sure you use the most authoritative version of the case. Firstly, before we learn how to search for a case, it is very important to understand the case reference and its components. Let us analyze the following case reference shown below: Carmichael v. Minister of Safety and Security 2001, 4, SA 938, CC. The case name is Carmichael v. Minister of Safety and Security. 2001 is the year the case was decided. The 4 in brackets stand for the volume number of the law report series in which the case is reported. SA stands for South African Law Reports, which is the name of the law report series, in this case, is published. 938 is the starting page where the case is published. CC stands for the Constitutional Court, where the case was decided. We advise library users to look at the series of law reports to learn which legal database to use. 2 resources may be used to find out what a law report series abbreviation means, namely 1. Pereira, N. M. and Brecken, K. E. 1999, South African Legal Abbreviations. Buffalo, New York, W. S. Hine. and 349.680148 Ferreira. 2. Cardiff Index to Legal Abbreviations, available at http://www.legalabbreves.cardiff.ac.uk/. In South Africa, we have 2 main commercial legal publishers, Judah and LexisNexis Butterworths. Some of the law reports Judah publishes are, namely, South African Law Reports, SA, from 1947 to date, South African Criminal Law Reports, SACR, from 1990 to date, Industrial Law Journal, Law Reports, ILJ, from 1980 to date, and Judah's Unreported Judgments, JDR, from 1997 to date. On the other hand, LexisNexis Butterworths publishes All South African Law Reports, ALSA, 1828 to date, Butterworths Constitutional Law Reports, BCLR, 1994 to date, Judgments Online, JOL, 1997 to date, and Butterworths Labor Law Reports, BLLR, 1994 to date. Where do I find these legal databases on the University of Pretoria Library website? Step 1. Go to the library website by visiting the URL below. Step 2. Navigate to the Libraries and Units tab, and from the drop-down menu, choose Law. Step 3. On the Law Library page, scroll down and select Quick Links, Databases. You will then see a list of legal databases that we have subscribed to, and which you may use to find legal material. Conclusion. You will also be able to find case law when you know the act and the section number by using legislation judicially considered, JudahStat, or LegalCitator, LexisNexis. See the guide, Finding SA Legislation. Thank you. Congratulations, that's the end.